Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I am not doing any makeup. I will be showing you guys the Aztec Indian healing clay. This is what it looks like. I just got the 1 pound just so I can try it out. So it says it's for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, and etc, etc. So I'm going to be using this for the little bit of acne that I have on my forehead that decided to come out of nowhere. So I already put it in a bowl, and it says that you can use it with apple cider vinegar or water. So I don't have apple cider vinegar, so I'm just going to use some water for this. And that's what I did. And this is how mine came out. And this is my first time using this, so I'm really excited. And I've been meaning to use this for a while now because I've heard the raves about it. So my face is freshly washed. I don't have any makeup on, nothing, no oil, just a fresh, clean face. And I'm going to use my foundation brush to apply this product onto my face. Take some of that and start applying it to my face. Hope I didn't do it wrong. Huh? The forehead. And my nose. Alright, dude, I'm gonna do you next. So it says to leave it on for about let me see. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. For delicate skin, 15 to 20 minutes. Remove clay by with warm water. Start red. Okay. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm going to be putting some on my boyfriend's face. Wanna introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Darius.
Alright. Open your eyes. Don't squint.
It's really cold.
Yeah. I'm gonna use my hands for this.
Oh, Jesus, that is cold.
Don't tighten your face. It's a lot of forehead.
Do the nose too?
Yeah.
That's my only trouble area. You look hilarious.
Let me see.
I look like a badass superhero.
Yeah. Come on, man.
Okay.
Get this dispersed. Alright, so I'm gonna let mine dry, and he's gonna let his dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the tightness and the rapid effect that people claim it does. So yeah, I'll be back. So my face is super tight right now. As you can see, it's starting to crack, and I can't really talk because it's so tight on my face right now. This is crazy. Holy crap. The tightness is so intense. Like, I could feel my forehead bunching up like this. Like, I can feel it like just bunching up. It's like I can feel my skin pulsating like this. It's really weird. Oh my god. And it's still not done drying. I still have a bit more to go, but this is what it looks like when it's dry. Like that. It looks like that. And this is obviously still the wet part that's still not done drying yet. So, holy crap. Oof. So I'll be back when it's fully dry. Okay, so the clay is definitely tighter, and as you can already hear, I can't really talk and it hurts because it's so tight on my face, and I can actually feel it pulsating. Like, I can feel my skin pulsating. It's crazy. This is a crazy experience. So my 30 minutes has been up, and I'm going to go to the shower and get this off my face, and I'm going to show you guys what my skin looks like. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have removed that clay, and let me tell you, my skin feels good. It doesn't look any different. It does feel very smooth. I mean, it's not like you're going to see results within a day. This is something that you have to keep using and using, but I do like it. I did like the experience of it. The experience was really cool to feel my skin get really tight and see the clay dry, and just the overall experience was really good. I didn't have any allergic reaction to it at all. My skin doesn't feel irritated, so it feels pretty smooth. It feels pretty nice. It did whatsoever. It did take off the blackheads that I had on my nose, so I did notice that. The pimples I had on my forehead are still there, but of course. But I think that's just about it. So yeah, I do like the clay. Will I keep using it? Yes. I think next time I'm going to try the apple cider vinegar instead of the water, just to see the difference, which probably won't even be a difference, but whatever. And yeah, I like it. So I think I'm going to continue to use this. I also seen that some girls are using this for their hair and some guys are using it for their beard. So I'm going to try it as a hair mask. So stay tuned for that one. And it's mostly some of the natural girls that use it. And I'm contemplating whether I should try it or not. If you guys think that I should try the hair mask, leave a comment below or give this video a thumbs up. And as you guys already know, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.